Hello everyone, we the students of TEA have made a project as Smart Shopping Cart. This Smart Shopping Cart has been built using EM18 RFID module, Node MCU, and these are RFID cards which will act as a product in our project. Each card has an unique 12-digit code inside it. Therefore, we will scan this product across EM RFID scanner, and data will be updated to the web server using Node MCU. The project will work like when this card is being swiped near the scanner, it will the scanner, the reader, that is RFID scanner, will scan the product, and it's the 12 unique 12-digit code will get updated in Node MCU, and thus Node MCU will update the product details on our web server. That is our web portal made using HTML, and final bill will be generated. The code, let us see the code. The code here, the header files are being included. ESP8266 Wi-Fi for Node MCU, Wi-Fi client for connecting the Wi-Fi to Node MCU. ESP2866 web server is an important header file over here, because it will help to connect our Node MCU to web server. The pin mode D3 will act as an input and D4 will act as an output here in Node MCU. This has been code for LCD, where welcome to Smart Shopping Cart, but currently LCD is not available. So this is the HTML code which has been converted to C++ using the converter. This HTML code has been converted to C++ because a microcontroller has very little memory in it. Therefore, to update the shopping cart details in the into the web server, we need to convert this code into C+ format. In the loop, the count P1 is the product, total is the total summary, the bill, that is bill generated. Serial dot available is the 12-digit that is the 12-digit unique code, that is 12-digit unique code. Now if the count means when we scan our RFID card near the RFID module, then the product detail will get updated, that is biscuit added, or else soap added, rice added, tea added, so on. Thus, if we want to remove the product from our cart, we have to swipe once again, that is swipe back. Then the product will get removed, that is item has been removed, will be displayed. And finally, these are the cost price of our products, and this is the complete code of our project. Let us now compile and upload this to our Node MCU. Okay, let us compile it. Thus compiling is done. Now let us upload. Thus uploading also done. Now let us open the serial scanner that to see when we scan the our product, does it get detected or not. Let us first scan the biscuit near I will put on the wider. So we have to swipe once only, because one time swipe means the product get add, and two times swipe means the product get deleted, that is removed from the cart. So here we can see that 12-digit unique code has been inserted. We have scanned first biscuit. Now let us scan the soap. The soap has also been get scanned. Now let us scan the rice. Rice also get added. It has been deleted, so once again we will scan. Now we will scan tea. Thus our 4 products has been scanned. Now let us see on the portal to see our final bill. Thus smart shopping cart using IoT, we have the items has been scanned, that is biscuit one time, soap one time, rice one time and tea one time. Thus total 4 items, and total grand total is 173. Thank you.